In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know how to mention a page in your caption and how to place a clickable tag directly on a photo so your audience can tap through to the right profile with ease. Start by opening your browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. Look for the official Meta link so you land on the correct dashboard. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. If you manage multiple brands, make sure you're in the right business account before moving on. You'll need the proper page permissions to tag other profiles. From the main dashboard, glance to the very top of the left sidebar and click Content. This is where you create and manage posts. Next, click Create Post. You can choose whether you're posting to Facebook, Instagram, or both. Either way, the tagging process is similar. In the text field, type the @ symbol, followed by the name of the page you want to mention. As you type, a drop-down should appear. Select the correct page from that list. This creates a clickable mention in your caption. If nothing shows up, double-check spelling, try the official page name, and confirm the page allows mentions. Not all pages or profiles can be mentioned due to their settings. Now, add a photo to your post. Use a clear, high-quality image to make your tag placement obvious. Once your image is uploaded, look for the edit icon, often shown as a pencil, or the tag icon that looks like a price tag or a person. Click it to open the tagging tool. Click on the exact area of the photo where you want the tag to appear. Place it near the person or logo you're identifying so it's intuitive to your viewers. Then, start typing the name of the page or person you want to tag and choose the correct one from the suggestions. This adds a clickable tag directly on the image, which can significantly improve discoverability and give proper credit. Before you publish, click Save to confirm your photo tags. This step is easy to overlook, but if you skip it, your image tags won't stick. After saving, review your caption mention, your image tag placement, and your selected destinations. When everything looks good, you're ready to publish or schedule your post. That's it. Caption mentions plus on-image tags, all within Meta Business Suite for cleaner attribution and better engagement.